What's up, guys? Christopher Yaks here, Aquascapes in Michiana. Well, hey, I am back in the Wisconsin Dells. My boy Eric here. And we are back here in the Wisconsin Dells, and we're actually here doing a project with Dave Mikowski, doing a project with him, with Ed Ballou, the pond professor. You guys know him and his YouTube channel, but Dave is actually the owner of Natura here. This is their location here in downtown, the Wisconsin Dells. That over there, you guys can see, you guys have already seen that. That's the recreational pond that we visited last time we were here. You can kind of see it off here in the background. There's another one all the way back there. But we are here at his restaurant, Hot Rocks. We've been here before. We were here last time we were in Wisconsin. Great place to eat if you guys are here in the Wisconsin Dells. Remember that. Hot Rocks, great place to get together and have some food and some drinks and stuff like that. But we're here, Wisconsin Dells, getting things done like we do. And I'm gonna go inside here and have some dinner. So, catch you guys later. Yeah, absolutely nothing. Damien, you don't have your food yet? Oh man, that sucks. Well, you can't really see because it's dark out, but we are done with dinner, and oh my goodness, it was a delicious dinner. And now we are headed over to the after party over at Natura at the newest recreational pond that they just opened up 2 months ago. Damn cool. This thing looks pretty cool. Let me show you guys. And we got tiki torches. Look at this, it's so cool. Yeah, can't really see it. Not a lot of light. Looks like we got some type of talking going on over here. You guys can kind of see the floats. We've got other people talking. We have more floats over here. We got our nice water slides over there. And this is all a test with bridges and all this over here for our new land around. So
All depends on DNR and the bank. All right, let's
we are, guys. Day one, first thing in the morning. I'm coming in a little late because we went to Paul Bunyan, an absolute staple here in the Wisconsin Dells, to go have breakfast. And this is what we got going on. Everybody's here. Everybody's ready to go. Everybody's raring to go. Ed's talking, doing all of his explanations and doing his Ed colloquialisms and all that kind of stuff. And everybody is just hanging on to every single word. And there's that guy.
As a washing station. So as people are coming from the beach, go down through the water, rinse themselves off, dump all the sand in here before the actual
Well, hey guys, I am here at the Natura Aloha build, and Rich Makowski, Dave's twin brother, identical twin brother, who I thought was Dave this entire time, him and I were hanging out, happens to be his identical twin brother. And Rich is actually taking me out here on their other property, and we are looking for logs. You guys all know how I love to incorporate all natural elements into our water features, not just rocks.
If I wanted to kiss, I would have called your mother.
Not just rocks, but also logs, you know, just different natural elements into our water features. And we're out here log hunting. We got Chris Ostrander on the project from Battle Creek, Michigan. He is an absolute genius when it comes to placing stumps into water features. So we're gonna try and find a stump for him too. And yeah, this is gonna be great.
Flat and more flat land.
Rich is showing us the coolest peak in all of the Wisconsin Dells. I'm really excited to see this. So, oh my, this is freaking awesome.
2,000 foot of private beach that we're gonna have for our customers.
That's what?
2,000 feet of private beach.
2,000 feet of private, so it's, all right,
Here,
folks, let me
all the way
show
to
you
there.
this thing. Bam. Holy
Friends of ours
Jesus.
have actually jumped off of here when the water's a little bit higher.
Yeah? How deep is it right now? How?
So probably the river's a little low, so it's probably 30. You wanna
30
jump
feet?
When it's like 40.
Okay, all right,
I
yeah.
don't recommend it.
I'm not going to. It is too cold for that. But my goodness, look at this, folks.
This
This
something
is-
I'd like to do. See that freestanding rock right there?
Yeah. That is awesome. Let me see if I can
It's
get
too
back.
close to the edge, it's the sandstone.
Okay. There we go. Yeah, look at that. That would be so cool to swim over there and just take a look.
There's actually a cave underneath there that we take that canoe over there and we like canoe right through that cave.
Oh yeah? Oh dude, that's so cool. Yeah, we definitely don't have this in northern Indiana. We got it in southern Indiana. We do not have this in northern Indiana. There we go. Very, very successful log picking at the new property that the Makowski brothers own, and are going to be building their newest resort. So we got a really fun time being shown around by Rich, Dave's older brother, and yeah, we're going to head back to Aloha and get this thing going.